Hey there, this is Mr. Nelson, and I'm going to be teaching you about the characteristics of a triangle. Okay, so a triangle is pretty simple. It's got three sides, and each side where it meets, we call that a vertex. So it's got 1, 2, and 3 of those. And this is an equilateral triangle, which means that all three sides are the same length. And so I'm going to teach you guys how to find the base and how to find the height for an equilateral triangle. Okay, so I want you to imagine that a triangle, it's kind of like, if we say the base is kind of what it sits on. So in this case, the way this triangle is sitting right here, that would be the base. But you could turn a triangle like this, and that could be the base, and you could turn a triangle like this, and that could be the base too. But we're going to look at the base like this. So if this is the base, okay, there we go, pen. Okay, if that's the base starts here and goes to here, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. So let's say the base is 9. Let's say each one of these little sections here is a centimeter. So we'll say that's 9 centimeters. Okay. Here's how we find the height. Okay, if this is the base, think of it like a mountain. So you got this man right here, and he's going to be walking. You got the nose right here. He's going to be walking up the mountain. And when he gets to the top of the mountain, you got to find the top. When he drops that rock from the top of the mountain, that rock is going to fall straight down. That's the height. From the very top, from the base, you drop a rock straight down. That gives you the height. Now, this is called a right angle, and the way we show right angles is we put a little box on it like that. That's also called a right angle, and it's 90 degrees. So if you measure from here to here, that's 90 degrees. And the height for this triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the height is 7 centimeters. Okay, let's look at a new triangle here. This is the scalene triangle. If we orient like this would be the base. So we could make that the base. Or if we turn the triangle like this, that could be the base. Okay, so the base is going to help us determine the height. So if we say this is the base, right here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the base is 9 centimeters. Okay, and so if this is the base, remember we're going to take our guy, and we're going to have him walk up the top of the mountain. So he's going to get up here. He's going to drop a rock from the top. This is the very top. And if he drops a rock straight down, okay, that means the rock will fall straight down here, and it'll hit the base right here. So we put our little right angle there. This, once again, is the height. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeters. All right. And finally, we've got the right triangle. Now, the right triangle is a little bit different too, and I don't know if you can tell the difference there. But if we say this is the base, then the height will be from the very tip of the mountain, the very top. Okay. Now, if we turn this is the base, then this would be the top of the mountain. Or we could turn a triangle like this. If this is the base, then that's the top of the mountain. So we're going to orient our triangle like this. And we're going to say this is the base. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The base is 7 centimeters. And we're going to find the base, so we're going to take our dude. Alright, get a little bit better at drawing this. Okay. And he's going to be walking up the mountain. There we go. Alright, dude. And he's walking up the mountain, and when he gets to the top of the mountain, he's going to drop his rock straight down. Right down here. And that is a right angle. So we put a little box there to show a right angle. So this is our height in this case. our height and this line are the same. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 centimeters. And that is how you find the base and the height of a triangle. Now, if I flip this triangle around like this, just to show you an example, that would now be the base. So the height would be straight down like that. On this triangle right here, if that was the base, then we could say the height is from right here, from the top of the mountain straight down. And for this one, if we said that was the base right there, then this would be the height from the top of the mountain down. All right. I will see y'all in class. Thank y'all for tuning in. Have a good night.